Hello friends, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel Discover India with Lava. My name is Lava and my main aim is to help you discover this beautiful country through my videos. So in this video I am going to take you to one of the most undiscovered yet most fascinating monument of New Delhi, the capital of India. So come with me and I will take you to this monument. Situated in the Connaught Place in the heart of capital of India, Agrasen Ki Baoli, as it is called, is a 60-meter long and 50-meter wide historical stepwell. Baoli is a Hindi word which means stepwell. This is an ancient way of storing water. This Baoli or stepwell with 108 steps is among a few of its kind in Delhi. This ornate stepwell, which was once a water reservoir, is an exquisite example of splendid architecture and perfect engineering skills. It is one of the oldest monuments of Delhi and the oldest stepwell. Another interesting fact is that this stepwell was built to serve not only a water reservoir but also as a community place. It is believed that women of those times used to assemble at this well, and the cool ambience of the Baoli provided them with the perfect spot to relax and some moments away from the scorching heat outside. Today, Agrasen Ki Baoli is one of those tourist places in Delhi that blend history, architecture, aesthetic beauty. In recent years, this stepwell has gained much attention as it has featured in a few Bollywood films.